Hello, frustrated homeowner. Did your home sit on the market without any offers? I understand how frustrating that can be. My name is Henry Jones, and I'm a seasoned real estate broker and marketing expert. I am here to help you turn things around. There could be many reasons why your home didn't sell, but with my expertise and comprehensive review, we can identify the key areas for improvement. I am offering you a free review to increase your home's value perception. Here's how. Curb appeal. First impressions are crucial. Enhancing your home's curb appeal can make a significant difference. Simple improvements like fresh landscaping, a new coat of paint, or updated lighting can attract more buyers and make your home stand out. Staging. Staging your home, whether fully or partially, can highlight its best features and help potential buyers envision themselves living there. Creating a welcoming and appealing environment can lead to a quicker sale. Professional photography. In today's digital age, quality photo is essential. Professional photos can showcase your home in its best light, attracting more interest both online and in person. Online marketing. Effective online marketing is crucial to reaching potential buyers. I will help you create compelling listings on the most popular real estate websites and use social media to boost your visibility and generate more interest. So, why do you think that your home did not sell? Let's find out together. I invite you to take advantage of my free review, select the tools and websites you want your home marketed on, and let's get started. Don't miss this opportunity to sell your home quickly and for the best possible price. Contact me today to schedule a free review. Let's transform your home's market presence and get it sold. Thank you for your time. I look forward to working with you and turning your real estate goals into reality.